Bam! This is how we're starting out today's episode, with the bam. Today, me and Cletus got a piece of bacon up in this trap. I've got a specific spot in mind that I want to put this thing in at. So I don't know if you guys can see the trap there, but I've got the trap right here in front of me. There's a pretty good sized bed right there. These beds are just right off from the trap. So maybe, but hopefully with that being just on the outside, they'll kind of cruise around their beds and end up in there. Hopefully that's the goal. We got the trap out tonight. We're probably gonna head to Raymond Gary or somewhere around there. I don't know yet exactly. We're gonna try to catch some bait, and we're gonna try to catch some bass, and we are gonna try to rip some lips right about now. First, we're gonna get on the kayaks and just do some bass fishing, and you know, try to get on some topwater bites. Let me get over here and get all this stuff situated, and then I'll explain better what we're doing. So I've got this box of Lunkerhunt baits that I got from Monster Bass this past Saturday. We both have a box of Lunkerhunt baits, and they're pretty much identical except for one bait. And so the way we're gonna do this today is we're gonna challenge each other. We're doing a Monster Bass Slam. The first person to catch fish on every single bait wins, essentially. Let me wait for this car to pass right quick. Not yet, we just got out here, really. What was I saying? I kind of lost my train of thought. I was going strong.
Rip lips hard.
If I win, you win. That's how this is gonna work. You guys, you know, since my last giveaway was really for whatever reason, it sucked, and so we're gonna redo this giveaway. We're gonna revamp it. For the 300 sub giveaway, all you gotta do is jump on this video. If I win, you win. I will choose a lucky winner, send these baits out to. If Cletus wins, we're gonna let him have this entire box of baits, and then he's gonna get to pick one of these baits out. Be rooting for me. Topwater's about to start. All right, we're gonna start with the prop fish. We're both gonna start with the same baits. We're gonna use the same baits in the same order as we pick them. He picked the prop fish, so the next bait is gonna be the Lunkerhunt lunker stick, and then we'll go from there. One of us is gonna pick whoever, you know, whoever's turn it is picks. Anyway, so let's shut up and get on the water and get these baits tied on. We'll see you out there ripping some lips in just a moment. Okay, folks, we just went over the rules and all that, regulations. We are ready to fish. Lunkerhunt Takeover Challenge. Let's do this. Jam versus Cletus. Starting off with the prop fish. I'm about to get up here to this blasting motion that's going on and shablam them. So the prop action on this is pretty subtle, very subtle. This is like a finesse prop bait, if there is such a thing. I don't think there's a fish in that tree. We gotta get this challenge going, man. Who's gonna catch the first fish, you guys? Jam the like button if you think I'm gonna catch the first fish. Hell, hit the dislike button if you think Cletus is gonna catch the first fish. You're the opposition in this scenario. They want to win a box of baits. There's got to be something chasing these bait fish. Oop, the sun's about to start going down. We're about to start peeking over here. A Wu-Tang Sword style. Oh, Gabe, I just lost one, dude. He sucked it under and I didn't realize it when I was talking smack. Come on. This thing looks amazing. They don't like a gourmet style bait. What time is it? Let me check my phone. I really don't want to have to switch baits before we even catch one, but damn, this is looking rough. We got to have some kind of end result, right? So I guess we do need to go ahead and make a bait change. Wow, this bait just did not do it to it. Maybe later on here in a little bit. First go around with the prop fish, unsuccessful. Keep trying with that, but in the meantime, we're gonna throw this lunker stick. So we're gonna go with the little, I just f***ed that up. I don't know why I didn't open it like a regular human being would. I'm gonna go with the straight shank because I like using straight shanks for Senkos. If this fishing doesn't pick up, we're gonna have to do something, man. We're gonna have to make some kind of move. Don't know what yet, but technical foul. Why does it seem like it's more buoyant with the hook now? I just tossed Cletus one 2 seconds ago and it sank in a matter of moments. And this is just like shimmy, shimmy, yah, right on down to the bottom. Ooh, the action on these though, dude. Wow, I like these lunker sticks, man. Probably one of my new favorite worms now. I had a fish on. Yep, that's super lit. Super awesome for the video. I've had 2 hits now and I've f***ed them up. Come on, fish, eat this shiz. I think this wasn't a great bait choice either. Unless the bite picks up, I mean, what the deuce is going on here? I think it was more productive yesterday. Yeah, got this bait out the way. Hell yeah. I kind of gullet hooked him. All right, let's see if we can go up in the gills here. Boom. Lunker stick, caught us a fish. Let's get it back in here. Already put it through enough stress. All right, sick. That is a monster bass for certain. The next bait, let's go ahead and go with, what do we got? Big bait, the lunker frog, and what am I missing? Ah, the pack, or the yappa bug. Let's do the yappa bug. All right, let's see if we can get this rigged up here. I'm gonna be throwing this on mono, so hopefully we don't catch a freaking just ginormous stud that takes us into some mess here, because probably gonna be throwing this on like 12-pound test, I believe. I'm fairly certain it's 12. Let's get this thing. This is a tiny package. I get the feeling it's not so much like the jitterbug in the way that you, in the way that you can just straight reel a jitterbug. I think you actually kind of have to impart some action on this. Like a little bit of a walking while you reel. Pretty much the same thing I was doing with the prop fish a minute ago. No, it does work. It does what it's supposed to do. You gotta reel it extra slow, which same thing with the jitterbug. If you guys haven't picked up a jitterbug and throw one of those, I highly recommend throwing those also. Made by Arbo Gast, I believe. Yeah, we're just getting pushed over into this reed edge, whatever you want to call it. This will probably do better on a spinning rod, but I actually didn't bring one today. I feel like if my rod tip had a little bit more action, this bait would do better. It needs the limberness of, you know, a medium action or something to keep its motion going. Oh my damn, dude. It was on that side too. It sounded like it was just beyond the reeds. There it goes. There it goes. Oh, that's a decent one, dude. Oh no! Dude. Damn it, that would have knocked out 2 baits for this slam. Oh my goodness, Gabe. Just getting chased, dude. Hopefully our cameras will be able to pick up some of this, dude. Oh, I'm pretty sure I just got smashed on again. Damn. Me and this thing don't get along. I'm ready to be done with this one too already. This one's not impossible though. I feel like that prop bait was just hard to start with. But you could probably get bit on it now though. Can't believe I lost that fish. I get the feeling here in about 30 minutes, it's really about to pick up. Right about when the cameras can't see anymore. Still going here with the yappa bug. What's up? Book. In the boat, get in the boat! Yes! Ah, yeah, that's a better one than the first one, dude. He ate it, dude. So you guys see him just pull that right out of his throat. Solid 1-pounder. Let's get a picture for the gram. Oh! Let's go straight frog. We're back here in this really nasty stuff. Let's just try the frog. Get that smooth release on it. Oh, still got some of my line on him. What the hell? I don't know how that happened, but he got wrapped in my line. Got him off though, he's fine. All right, fish number 2, yappa bug. Now we're gonna switch to a straight frog. That's funny that you were coming to ask about switching baits. I jammed one. This prop fish tied on here on my, oh shoot. This prop fish tied on my mono rod, that way I can still throw it, get my frog on. After we get these 2 baits, all we'll have left is the tarantula. I really got a good feeling about that, dude. I don't think a lot of fish out here see that very often, so it's probably gonna be fire. Let's get this open. Lunker Hunt, Lunker Frog. As you can see, it's getting darker, a lot darker out than it was when we first started. Getting a lot cooler too, I can tell you that much. And the fish are getting a lot more active. Put this up so I'm not just throwing it in the water here. So the cool thing about this frog, if you guys don't know already, when you're fishing this one, the legs kind of retract, you know, real hoppy status. And, you know, a lot like a normal, real life, live action frog would do. What was this? This is called the poison frog, and it's solid black. Come on, we got 3 baits to go. I don't know why I got so optimistic after that second fish. It's just a second fish. May only catch 3 fish today. Coming over here to scare off all my fish, dude. He's creeping on me, y'all. Oh, it's a baby one. He's tiny. We got to get all the way to the top before we use the finisher bait. Started from the bottom, now we're here on bait number 3. You gotta be me, dude. There was a fish right next to where I was working it. Got him. Yes. Prop fish. That's what I'm talking about, dude. Hell yeah. Get in the boat. Hell yeah. Yes, dude. Making some freaking headway up in here. Bam. Hope you guys can see that little fish. Prop fish, yes. Let's get it back in here. Okay. Okay, folks, well, I'm gonna be throwing this on 12-pound mono. It's a 1/4 ounce, I believe. It's a little bit hard to get out there with that 50-pound braid. Oh, this thing looks fire, dude. There we go, hell yeah. You know what I mean? Jam the man, making moves. It's just what I do, Cletus. Bam, I hope you guys can see that one too. Get my light out here, maybe that'll help. Now you can see him a little bit. Bam. Smacked him. We've got 1 bait left, folks. 1 bait left. Nice little fish here. Boom. On the lunker frog. So now we just got to get one on the phantom. I don't think it's going to be hard. Top water's really picking up. Let's see if we can get this back in here. Dope. Can we do it? We will have completed our first slam in ages, y'all. Bugs are starting to get really bad, dude. I gotta get this fish. I've gotta catch this fish. 1 more fish. Yeah, after we finish this video here, we're actually going down to collect our bait and then get ready for a catfishing excursion. Trying to get my last fish before we have no light at all. There it is, yes. Freak yes. Mission completion. Heck yes, dude. He gobbled it. I can't even see it, dude. Damn, he gobbled it. There we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, I thought I had it. This is a tiny fish, but dude, I really appreciate this fish. There we go. Boom. Last bait. Yes. Monster bass slam complete. Thank you, little bass. You're like the size of my hand, but dude, you're my favorite fish right now. Bam. Sorry for the brightness of the light and the crustiness and whatnot. Let's get it out of here. All right, let's get back to the car and we'll finish this video out. As you guys seen, I did manage to get that the Monster Bass Slam completed. So as promised, I'm gonna give away the whole box. The mystery bait also that I was gonna give away before. Drop down there, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video, comment, that's all you gotta do. I'm gonna pick a winner at random for the giveaway. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you sticking around to the end and all that. Sticking around, you know, staying subbed, watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. I guess we'll see you next time. Maybe I'll be back out here. I love it out here. This is McGee Creek. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace out. Ah, I'm slinging that shit on me nasty. Ah, bad.